Okay everyone, so in this Wix tutorial we're gonna learn how to change your website name in Wix in 2021. So if you go up to the tab right here, we see that I have my site. So this is my website name. So to change this, just go to your Wix dashboard and just go up to the top left corner and click on this drop down menu and choose the site you want to change the website name on. So I want to change this one, my site. Just open up the site. Alright, so this is your website dashboard. So just go to the left sidebar, go down and click on this one, settings. Under settings, we find this one, general. Just go to this one, website settings, and click on that. Alright, so now we have this one, site name. So this is your site name. So just change this to whatever you like. Like that. Now go up to the top right corner and click on save. Okay, so everything's saved. Let's go back to the website and update. Now we can see that we have the new website name as Andreas Watts website. Okay everyone, so comment below if this worked out for you. Also check out my Wix tutorial playlist in the description below. Subscribe for more of these videos. Have an awesome day. Take care and bye.